Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Flavoprotein and types. So first one is L-amino acid oxidase. So here the location is the kidney and the action is specificity for the oxidative deamination. And this is of naturally occurring the high amino acids. Next is the xanthine oxidase. Xanthine oxidase, the location is the urotelic animals. And the action is the conversion of purine bases to the uric acid. So purine to the uric acid. Xanthine oxidase, location being the urotelic animals, and conversion of purine to the purine bases to the uric acid. Then is the aldolase dehydrogenase, and this includes the location is the mammalian livers, and it acts upon the aldehydes and the N-heterocyclic substances. So aldehydes and the N-heterocyclic substances. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.